In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lead form in HoneyBook. To get started, sign into your HoneyBook account so you can access the tools needed to build and manage your form. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left sidebar and click Lead Capture. This is where HoneyBook keeps the features related to bringing in new inquiries and turning visitors into potential clients. Next, open the Lead Forms page. This section is where you can view existing forms and create new ones. When you're ready, click Create New to begin the setup process. HoneyBook will show you a list of form types, and for this tutorial, you'll want to choose Inquiry Form. This option is ideal for collecting information from prospects who are interested in your services. After that, enter a name for your lead form. Choose something clear and recognizable so it's easy to identify later, especially if you plan to create multiple forms for different services or audiences. Then, customize the welcome message and the form description. This is your chance to make a strong first impression, so keep the tone friendly and professional while clearly explaining what the prospect can expect when filling out the form. Now you can start building the form itself by adding the contact fields you want prospects to complete. Include the basics you need in order to follow up effectively. From there, add any custom questions you want to collect from leads. These can help you gather more specific details up front, which can save time later and help you qualify inquiries more efficiently. Once your fields and questions are in place, configure which ones are required. This is important because it ensures you collect the essential information you need without making the form feel overwhelming. After that, customize the form design and branding so it matches your business style. Keeping the form visually consistent with your brand can make the experience feel more polished and trustworthy. If needed, set the project type or workflow options. This can help organize submissions automatically and streamline what happens after someone reaches out. Then preview the lead form to see exactly how it will appear to your prospects. It's a good idea to test the form by submitting a sample inquiry yourself, just to make sure everything looks right and functions properly. When you're satisfied, click Publish. Then copy the lead form link so you can start sharing it. You can place it on your website, post it on social media pages, or include it in email campaigns to make it easy for people to contact you. Finally, verify that new submissions appear in HoneyBook. This last check confirms that your form is live and working as expected. Thanks for watching.